Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your smartwatch with WhatsApp. First, ensure your smartwatch is properly paired with your smartphone via Bluetooth. This initial connection is crucial for seamless device communication. Next, have the official WhatsApp application installed and updated on your phone. Finally, verify your smartwatch supports WhatsApp notifications or a dedicated app, as compatibility varies. This foundational setup ensures you're ready for the next steps. Once your devices are paired, the next step involves configuring notifications. Open the companion application for your smartwatch on your smartphone. Within this app, locate the notification settings menu. Here, you will find a list of applications. Scroll down and ensure that WhatsApp notifications are explicitly enabled for your smartwatch. This allows messages to appear directly on your wrist, providing convenient access to your conversations without needing your phone. With notifications enabled, you can now interact with WhatsApp messages directly from your smartwatch. Many smartwatches offer quick reply options, allowing you to send preset responses with a single tap. For more personalized replies, utilize the voice-to-text feature, which converts your spoken words into text. Certain advanced smartwatches even provide a small on-screen keyboard for typing out longer messages, enhancing your communication flexibility on the go. If you encounter any issues, a few troubleshooting steps can help. Always ensure both your smartphone and smartwatch operating systems are running the latest software versions. Regularly verify the stability of your Bluetooth connection, as a weak signal can disrupt message delivery. If problems persist, try restarting both your phone and smartwatch. These simple steps often resolve common connectivity glitches, ensuring a smooth and reliable WhatsApp experience on your wrist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.